Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing well on this April 23rd. It happens to be a Thursday or Thursday, whichever way you prefer to call it. I'm here to welcome you guys once again to our science virtual classroom. And I appreciate all of you who have um, been able to send pictures and send your work and participated in School Spirit Week. Thank you, Angel, for sending me that picture of you in your Pikachu PJs. They were pretty cool. Also, Daniel, great job finding out 4 kittens and taking them in. They do need a home. Let me know if you find a home for them. I already have a kitten, so I can't take one. But thank you so much for doing that. It's very nice and noble work. All right, so let's go ahead and get started today. Today we're gonna have a very short lesson, and I'll explain why. But before we do that, let's start with our School Spirit Week, for which we have crazy hair. So in order to support our school, show your crazy hair, show me a picture of you with some crazy hair. I thought about cutting all my hair and going bald. I haven't been able to go to get my hair cut because, of the whole closing door order or whatever. So I thought about that for a second, but then I decided against it. Instead, I woke up with this hair, and this is the hair I'm presenting you guys as my crazy hair. All right, so if you have some crazy hair, go ahead and send it over to me so that I may show you off to our school, showing off your school spirit. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about what we're doing today. We've been talking a lot about technology advances and about how the times have changed. So today you won't spend a lot of time with me. Instead, I want you to talk to someone that is at least 25 years old or older. So anyone from 25, 26, 27, all the way up to whatever age you want, talk to someone who is at least 25 years old or older. All right? And the reason why I want you to talk to them is because I want you to ask them about one technological object and how it has changed for the better. All right? Now, we talked about the evolution of cell phones, so they can't talk about cell phones. And if they start talking to you about cell phones, you can tell them, like, no, we're not really doing cell phones. Or you can tell them, like, tell me about something that is not a cell phone that has changed for the better throughout your life. All right? An example would be cell phones. Yeah, cell phones used to look like this and used to have keypads. Now they are all touchscreen. But back in the day, cell phones energy would last significantly longer, but they can do significantly less things. So you can ask them about one technological object and how it has changed for the better throughout their lifetime. All right. And that is what you need to do today. That is what you need to write about. So you'll write, my mom told me about blank, or my cousin told me about blank, or my grandpa told me about blank, and it changed like this. And describe it in as much detail as possible. Take a picture of that and send it my way. All right. Very short lesson today. That's all I need you to do today. So talk to someone older than you, well, at least 25 years or older. Ask them about one technological object and how it has changed in their lifetime, and write about that experience. All right? Make sure you take a picture of that and send it over to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.